Hey you guys, I hope all is well with you all. We're going to see what's going on with the turmeric. My husband put this aloe here, was in the shade, so he moved it. Put it in this pot. So let's see what's going on. So this is it so far.
Ooh, doesn't that stuff coat everything? Coat everything orange or like a permanent?
Mm-hmm.
Big one here.
Ooh, Dad, can I help?
Yeah. You come get
Where's
it. You
my
got your gloves
camera?
on?
Wait, I just want to put on this other
Oh boy.
The lizard.
Excuse me. Excuse me, Mr. Lizard and Mom.
Mama, look at this big worm.
Ooh. Wait, let me hold it.
Where did he go? Yeah, don't squish him now.
Let me see. Oh my God, don't let him get on you, child. Don't let him get on you, okay?
Okay. He feels weird. Ew. Ew. Oh, so this is how he moves?
Wow,
Ooh.
this is a lot here, Mama.
Don't want you to fall, Mr. Wormy. Ah, you feel cold and slimy.
You gonna help?
Yeah.
I don't want you to be like, oh, I didn't get the help. Grown from one piece of turmeric, and we're gonna leave.
I'm gonna plant this back in the ground.
Is that it from this one?
What's this?
I don't know what it's that. It's probably a piece of...
It's turmeric.
Let's see. Yeah, that's probably the piece we started it with.
I'm gonna put
You know what? This looks like garlic.
Yeah, don't hurt Mr. Wormy.
What is this?
I don't even know where you went. Anyway.
What the hell? Yeah, what is this?
Mama, I don't know.
Look.
I don't know. See, it's some here too. And it come from off the... It's, see, you see it's like this. It come off the... You okay?
I don't know what it is.
Is this a weed? Is this a weed, Daddy?
Mm-hmm. That's weed.
What are we doing now?
It smells like, is this ginger? Hold on. This is ginger, or is it turmeric? I think this either ginger. Yeah, did you play in the back?
What?
Whatever that was.
Mama, I don't know. I don't remember. All right, Mama, you got a lot in here.
I want to do it.
Go ahead.
Don't get it on you. Look at me. On your clothes, your nice clothes.
Careful with the dirt.
Yeah, don't flick it. Rules, and on your shoes. You gotta bend over and do that, okay? You didn't bend over yet.
Okay.
I'm gonna juice some of this.
What's that?
I like a long.
That's a reverse thing on the power truck.
You gonna replant that? No, is that piece? Oh, you dropped the piece.
Oopsies.
And he gonna replant that piece you got in your hand. He can replant that. Here's an avocado. He planted from a seed.
You got it?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's a lot on
It's
this
looking
one.
good.
Be careful with the dirt. Oh, piece drop right there.
Look at that big lizard.
My back kind of hurts from this.
That's a regular lizard. Look like. That's a regular lizard.
Something hit my foot. I don't know where it went though.
Push your hand out from your shoes so you don't bring the stuff get it on your clothes and stuff. It. Is that a lizard? These lizards say, you ain't been out here in a minute. What you messing with our stuff for? Is the sprinklers on?
Yep. I'm finding some of the stuff back.
They normally come on at 6 o'clock.
Pull them away from your shoes, my dear.
Okay. My backs keep hurting.
You need to stretch. Let's see if any ginger over there. I'm always doing the recording, huh? This is the
I'm gonna put the
harvest.
I'm gonna try to clean it up as much as I can, okay?
Okay. What's there? You just cleaning up? Don't forget we got peppers over there. Oh, look at the butterfly. Right
Oh, I
here.
see it. I see it. It's a zebra striped butterfly.
It's going so fast. The bird. Look at the bird.
Where? Oh, I see it. Hey, Mom, one time we hatched what do you call them things?
I don't know. Sir, you should have came this way. Ooh,
Some of them died out.
something smells good. Got papayas growing all down here on the almost on the ground.
Hey, Mom, look at the butterfly again.
That banana tree falling over, sir.
It got banana thing. That's what making it heavy. It's all right.
Let me
So
help.
no strawberry. Oh, I see the
Yeah.
strawberries
Blossom
coming.
right there on the strawberry.
I smell something.
See the blossom on the strawberry?
I can't wait
yeah, I
to have
see 'em.
strawberries.
But I smell
Our strawberries are delicious.
like jasmine or something. I don't know what that's coming from. Was it here? I thought it was over. Look,
Ginger right here.
look, over there.
What?
See that sticking up?
Yeah, ginger here too.
And the plate is. Chloe, can you go get that bowl? Like
Okay,
that
excuse me.
Is this ginger? This is not ginger.
potato. Oh, we put turmeric and ginger over here.
This stuff is ready too.
Huh?
All right, ready.
Not trying to hurt you.
I guess I'm gonna be eating papaya. Papaya and pineapple juice
Where you think?
right here.
Uh-oh. Making a mess out of this one.
Which one is it? Is this
What
the
happened? You
turmeric?
cut into it?
I think I kind of did, I reckon.
This soil feels more richer.
Yeah.
And the other one feel more porous.
Yes. No, honestly, you're right.
Oh, this one need to mix. It's been
Oh,
mixed.
it's full of
It's been mixed with
ginger.
the
I
whole
mean,
liquid.
With the what?
Yo, Niccolo,
Hold on.
I'll put it right there for you.
Okay. Can you replant that?
Yeah, I can replant this. Move, let me see.
oh boy.